Hi, I'm Maggie with Noovo, and I'm so excited to share with you the first ever super high roof Noovo Plus. Noovo specializes in designing camper vans that bring all the comforts of home with you wherever the road may take you. Let's take a look at the interior. Starting with the interior of the van, the first thing you're going to notice is all of this incredible headroom. The coolest feature of the Noovo Plus is going to be the extended ceilings. It has over 7 feet of interior height for you to enjoy and live in. I've never been in a camper van this tall. It's actually the only one on the market currently, or will be, once we have these released. Production starts in September. Past the height, the coolest thing that this allows us to do is build out the living room and the bed space in a completely new and unique way. So you're going to see here in the back this really beautiful U-shaped couch. It fits up to 5 people. You can dine comfortably. It comes with this very sturdy electric table. These sections of the table can fold up so that you can get in here a lot easier for comfort or for storage reasons. And it's honestly just a great place to eat, work, hang out. It fits 5 people comfortably. I would guess up to 6 if you were trying to have a party. But it's really just wonderful the way that you can use this space pretty universally. Some of my favorite features of this back area of the van, it has incredible detailing, as I'm sure you can see. This table is super sturdy, very heavy duty, and is on its own electrical lift system. So you don't have to worry about moving this up and down manually. The electric system is going to do all the heavy lifting for you, and you can turn this whole section into another sleeping area. Some of the smaller details of this section of the van, we're going to have outlets basically everywhere that you could think of, including back here in the U-shaped couch area. You have your standard house outlets and then also your phone charging outlets. So you have a USB and USB-C hole here for your cords. And on this side of the van, we're going to have a TV featured in one of these little side nooks. This one is a Samsung Smart TV, so you're going to have access to all of your favorite streaming services that you can actually connect directly to your Starlink internet. It makes everything really convenient when you're off-grid trying to watch your favorite shows, and you can also plug in to work if you wanted to as an extra monitor. The back of the van here will also feature 2 awning style windows. Each are going to come with built-in bug screens that are magnetic, or when you're ready to go to sleep or need more privacy shades, also magnetic. When you're done using either, they can be separated very easily, and you're ready for as much sunlight as you need. Just to show you an example of what that awning style window looks like, it's going to have a slant to it, so where if you wanted to have the window open and it's raining, you're still going to be able to do that and get a nice breeze without having to worry about water getting into your van. On each side of the U-shaped couch, you're going to have airplane style storage bins. These are going to drop down and have 2 individual sections that give you a lot of extra storage above each of these seating areas. Above the U-shaped couch area, you're going to find your electrical power lift bed system. As mentioned, this is a 6-inch memory foam queen size RV mattress. It's super easy to use. We have a bed system set up right here, so at the touch of the button, you can either go up or down. You're just going to press down when you want to lower it. If you plan on using the bottom seating area as another bed, you can have the lifted bed area only come halfway down and create more of a bunk bed type of sleeping situation. It can sleep up to 4 people in this setting, or you can lower it all the way down and attach our convenient hanging ladder to help you get up into your sleeping area. To operate the electrical table located in the back, you have a hidden door located inside this little storage space, and you have a 3-button system, 1 button to go up, 1 to stop, and 1 to lower the table. It's super user-friendly. There will be a beep when it's ready to move, and it will stop on its own when it's in the right position. Next, we're going to talk about the Noovo Plus full-size wet bath. It's going to have a cassette style toilet with a water flush connected to your fresh water tanks. We want this to feel as much like a real home as possible, including the bathroom, which also includes one of my favorite features, our shower, We have hot water on demand whenever you want to take a shower, regardless of where you are. It's one of the amazing features of Noovo vans. We work very hard to make sure that you have the comforts of home when you go off grid. This Noovo Plus features 30-gallon freshwater tanks and 40-gallon gray water tanks. You're going to have your standard sink faucet with this really awesome removable cover, and then your UV filtered drinking water. We know that plastic bottles can take up a lot of storage and can be really environmentally harmful, so we wanted to make sure that you had a very easy and accessible way to get fresh water no matter where you were. One of the biggest challenges we know you all face with van life is finding enough places to store all your things, which is why we tried our hardest to put as much storage opportunities as we could in this thing as possible. Behind me, you're gonna have these really convenient slide-out pantries featuring some signature French wine, as well as a second one underneath for even more storage. All of your cabinets are going to have these super easy to use press-in, press-out cabinet handles, including your overhead. So you're gonna pop that out and then use underneath to lift it. They also come with soft close technology, so you're never going to have things rattling around or slamming. And then of course, we've got very, very deep cabinets for all of your kitchen utensils or things that you may need while on the road. The kitchen features lots of countertop space, and then of course your induction stovetop, which runs off of the Lithionics battery system. Speaking of the battery system of this van, the Noovo Plus uses a 660 amp hour Lithionics battery system. Not only are these batteries self-heating, so in all season weather they're going to take care of themselves and make sure you still have the power you need off grid, they are only going to be used to help run certain things in the van. So when it comes to being off grid, you can do it for longer and safer, as comfortably as you need to. Another upside of the 7-foot interior ceilings means that we had more space to put in a larger fridge and a permanent freezer system for the Noovo Plus. This thing has so much room for all of your favorite snacks, food items, beverages, and then of course if you need your ice cream or any sort of frozen treats while you're on the road, ice, it's super convenient and it has way more space than even I expected. And then of course the microwave is going to be found on top of the fridge system, and like the rest of the van, we have even more storage. You have a hanging clothes compartment here, which makes it super easy for you to hang quite a bit of hanging clothes if needed. And then we have really convenient storage underneath the fridge as well. Another cool feature that we added into the Noovo Plus is this super convenient remote working space. This desk is magnetic and pops down from the side of the wall and makes it super easy for you to get work done wherever you need. If not mentioned before, our Noovo Plus is equipped to have Starlink satellite Wi-Fi, so now you have a great space to work permanently with the Wi-Fi that you deserve to make that happen. Above the entrance of the van, you're going to find all the controls you need to make easy living even simpler. Here you're going to have all the controls for your electrical system and also some of the estimates on where your fresh water tank is. And then below you're going to have everything to make sure that you're at a comfortable temperature. So this has your water heater, your regular heater, your air conditioner, and anything that has to relate with the temp. Next we have the awning control, which has two switches, one to turn it on and then one to retract and extend. We also have another switch underneath here that turns on a built-in LED lighting featured inside the awning itself. Above the passenger and driver's seat, you're going to find this super awesome storage cabinet. You can't really tell from the angle you're at here, but it goes all the way to the backside. There is so much room for your gear, your clothes, whatever you can think of. This is crazy deep and can fit quite a lot. On the back of the Noovo Plus, you're going to have a really convenient outdoor shower. It pops into place to where you barely notice it. You have cold and hot water on demand. If you need to rinse off your feet, maybe one of your dogs gets a little too muddy, whenever you're done rinsing off, push it right back in. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour. If you'd like to personally learn more about the Noovo Plus, you can visit us at our website at noovolife.com. We can't wait to see you on the road.